Hey everyone, if you create videos for YouTube, from time to time you'll find people taking these videos and re-uploading them to their channel, and there's a way to actually take them down. What's even better is there is a way to find out how many of your videos are taken by other channels and re-uploaded. In this video, I want to show you exactly where to find it and how to get those channels to remove your videos. And if it's your first time here, I post easy to follow YouTube and social media videos like Instagram and TikTok on this channel every single day, so please consider subscribing. So let me show you how to go to that page. Go up here to your profile when you're logged into that channel, and then we want to just go to YouTube Creator Studio. And if you come to the left side of this page, there is an option over here and it's called copyright. Go ahead and click that. And if you've never been to this page before, it's actually really eye-opening. As you could see under matches here, these are all the videos that other channels have duplicated, and some of them are 100%, meaning they took your identical video and re-uploaded them to their channel, and others are where they took elements of your video and then added to it, like this one's only a 50% match. But as you can see, there are a lot of them that are 100%, 90%, and so on. And you could get them removed. So if I go to the removal request tab, you could see that it says resolved video already removed. So let me show you exactly how to do that in this video. So I'll just start with this one here, this first one, how to use IGTV. If I come over here, I could request a video to be removed, or I could contact the channel directly. I sometimes contact the channel if they've taken multiple videos from me, or if they've only taken one and is starting to get some views here, I'll just go ahead and request video removal, and I'll press this right here. And this page has a lot of my personal information, so I'm going to blur it, but go ahead and type out the copyright owner. That's you, the person that created the video. Go ahead and fill out your information here. And then it says video request for removal. This is the video that they taken from my channel and re-uploaded on YouTube, which is against YouTube's policy and against your copyright. And then you have some options. You could schedule, send a 7-day notice for them to remove it, or request a removal now. This will be YouTube removing the video after they review your copyrighted content here. But make sure you are 100% sure before you do this, because if you abuse this tool, it can terminate your YouTube account. So make sure you're 100% sure that they took your video. In this case, it's very obvious. And once you're done, you just press submit. And usually if you select this request removal now, the video will be removed immediately from the channel. I hope you found this video useful and you could use this removal request right now. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel for easy to follow videos just like this, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.